We got Mitchell's Tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this game. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be messing with my jet ski that I got. I've had it for a little while, but I never really showed it to you guys. It's a 2013 Sea-Doo GTI 155. And this thing, when I got it, it only had 14 hours on this thing, but now it's got 32 as I've been riding it a little bit. But I transferred my basket rack, the super rack, from my old Yamaha to this. So this is the same thing. And we got that all hooked up on here. And this thing is super clean, had no scratches on it. I got it for like 6,800 bucks. Brand new, basically. 2013. It was bought for an autistic kid that got scared to ride it, and he just didn't really ride it that much, so he got scared of it, and the dad maintained it over the years. It had literally 14 hours on it. This is like the newest ski you'll ever see. We got all kinds of stuff over here that I got for going out. We'll show you all that here in a second. It came with a brand new Sea-Doo trailer. This thing is literally brand new. Everything works great on it. I'm excited to take this thing out. Check this out. This thing's got like, I'll show you the hours on this thing. There it is, 37 hours. So I've literally only put like a few hours on this thing since I've had it. I have taken it out a few times already. Check this out. I got this. It's like a cruise control thing. Every time I go out, and I'm out for like, if I ride like a mile with holding the throttle, my whole arm falls asleep. So they have these little automatic things. It's literally just a little clip that you buy, and snaps on any jet ski, and then you got cruise control. But let me show you some other stuff over here on the table. All right guys, so check this out. We got the new lung tank mask set up. This thing is basically like, it comes with the mask, and you got the snorkel, and then you hook up everything. There's another compressor thing that hooks up here, and the tank hooks onto here, and you can be underwater for like 10 minutes at a time with this thing. So once you use the water or use the air for 10 minutes, it comes with this pump, and we can pump this back up and go back in the water for 10 more minutes. So it came with the bag and everything, but we haven't hooked it up yet. We still got to put the seals and, you know, hook it up for the first initial time. But that's going to be super cool to take to the springs. When we're at the springs, you can go underwater like 10 feet or 15 feet. Now we'll be able to go down there and just sit on the bottom, which will be super cool. But we'll show you that once we take the ski out. We actually was going to take it out today, but it started raining as soon as we wanted to film this video. So now we're just gonna kind of show you what we got for the ski and go over some of the things with that. So I got the unlimited life vest inspired by the Sold Out Cowboys. I always watch their YouTube channel, and they're stand-up kind of ski riders, but this thing's super nice. It's got the pocket inside, comes with a whistle inside as well. And then it's got the thing for the lanyard for your key. So if you fall off, your key will come off and turn the jet ski off. Then we like to go on long rides. Sometimes it starts raining. So I got a neoprene, unlimited. It's basically like a wetsuit. It's super stretchy and it's waterproof for those long rides that we go on. And then also the lung tank came free with a underwater phone case, which this thing is super epic. It's gonna be super cool to go underwater and film everything with. Oh yeah, I meant to say, this thing has a GoPro mount on top. So we're gonna be filming there and with the phone while we're underwater, which would be super cool. On top of all of that, I got a JBL speaker that will go on the jet ski as well. And I ordered this off Amazon. It's a 3D printed kind of holder, and it's gonna hold this in there like that up here on the jet ski. So it'll pretty much install like that, and we're gonna put that on there, and we'll have music. This thing's waterproof, and got the cruise control now, so we're all dialed in, ready to go. Got the cooler, we can bring drinks. I can hook gas cans to the rack if I want. We kind of go on rides with the Sea-Doo Social Club, with the Space Coast Sea-Doo chapter, and Route 1 Motorsports in Melbourne, Florida. So they're a real big club. If you don't know a lot of people to ride with, you can link up with them on Facebook or Instagram and go on rides with them. Alberto from Big Boost is a creator for them. They gave him a Sea-Doo Switch, big jet boat, kind of like a pontoon boat. It's pretty cool. He goes out with us and some of the other guys, and we're excited to get this thing out on the water. All right, so it's got two little teeth there. That's gonna fit one in here and one in there, like that. Oh wait, that's the wrong side. Let me go to the other side. Same thing, but other side. So it fits in there like that, and then this one, same thing, two in there, and then you'll put the big bolt, one big bolt through all of it. Check it out. Looks pretty good. We have these little quick release things up here, and I don't know, it's pretty cool. Now we can jam out while we go on the ski. So let's go. I'm stuck in a haze, I'm bleeding. Pull me more from. All right, so this thing's got the cleanest motor you've ever seen. Like I said, it's only got like 30 something hours on it, but look how clean it is in here. This thing is absolutely dialed. So I spray Yama lube on it and wash it off after every ride to get all the salt off of it. And we keep this thing clean. This is the cleanest ski I've ever seen. This thing's actually cool because it's got its own cooling system. So when you flush it, you only have to hook the water up, and it doesn't go through the motor. It only flushes out the exhaust system. But on top of that, we got tie-down straps for the dock. We got some little boat shoes that I wear. Got an anchor, keep a bag of tools just in case, and always keep this on you is backup battery jump box. So if you ever get stuck and your battery's dead, you can jump yourself off. And I keep the tools and that in this Sea-Doo waterproof bag. It's a dry bag, so I wrap that all up and keep that all up together in here. But this is also we got the tow rope, fire extinguisher, little emergency kit, and I got a paddle as well. That's the Yama lube that we use to spray on the motor. We're gonna get out on the water with this thing. I'm stuck in a haze, I'm spinning. Keep me inside the lines. You stick to my brain and I'm thinking. Is it you or the here at the Ponce Inlet. Check out the lighthouse over there. It's kind of cool. Yo, we got the Sea-Doo Social Club over here chilling. We're gonna go over there and hang out, kind of see what's going on. But I don't know. We out here. We'll probably cruise around, see what's up, and I don't know. That's it. Let's go. Can I get in there? Let me pull this up here. Hey, how's it going? I think it'll be all right like that.
Yeah, you'll be good.
Yeah.
Your water looks all right. The water looks good.
What's up, man? I'm Mitchell.
Axel.
Nice to meet you. I'm actually from around here. I live in Port Orange.
I'm in Daytona.
Oh, all right. I own Mitchell's Window Tinting in off Reed Canal.
Oh, okay.
We do window tinting and stuff.
Okay.
So, yeah. Hey, I'm Mitchell. Nice
Danny,
to meet you.
nice to meet you, Mitchell.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Nice to
I got this. It was a 2013 and I had 14 hours on it.
Oh my God.
It's literally brand new. It's got 34 hours on it. Dude, now.
I love it.
But
it
$6,500. I just had somebody 3D print a speaker holder, and then I bought the super rack and the cooler.
Bro, it looks amazing, man.
I want that one, but you know, whatever. Yeah. All right, we out here at the island. They got the Sea-Doo Social Club going on out here. They're about to do a group photo up here. We've been talking to this dude over here. He's pretty cool. He's got a cool jet ski over there. But yeah, it's pretty cool out here. I couldn't really film much because of the music playing in the background, but we out here. Dan's out here. Check it out. Check out that man. The famous jet skier. Dan's out here. We got them all. And I don't know. We're out here at Disappearing Island. Pretty cool. So we're gonna go up here and get the group photo and chill with everybody. We'll probably ride back here in a little bit. Let's go.
Ready?
Ready?
See-Doo live. Ready on 3, 1, 2, 3.
See-Doo live.
See you live.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, what up, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Hey, man.
I came out trying to meet some people because I don't know nobody to go jet ski with.
I'm
I'm
out
like,
here every weekend.
yeah,
all the time.
Okay.
Most of not this. It's not like an event like this, but we come out here.
My
most of the time.
Instagram's Mitchy Drifts.
What's your name, man?
Mitchell.
Mitchell
Yeah.
and Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Are you around the area up here?
I live like 2 miles down the street in
Okay.
Port Orange.
I was gonna say, if
Yeah.
you're doing Cletus and stuff, you got to be somewhat.
We go there.
Okay.
Yeah. You remember his old white Rocky Mountain Race Week trailer?
Yeah.
I own it. It's at my house.
No shit.
So I'll put all my shit in there and take it out there. I'll take my cutting machine out there and everything. Yeah. Can you believe I got this thing? It was a 13 and it had 14 hours on it.
Damn.
It's brand new. It's got 38 on it now, and I put all
that's
those
barely
on.
past break-in period.
I
Like,
know.
they broke it in just.
Well, a
like
guy
that.
bought it for his autistic kid, and then the kid rode it a couple of times and got scared. So the dad maintained it over the years, and I bought it from him for $6,500
No way.
cash. Yes. All right, guys. So this is really cool out here. We met a whole lot of people. My friend Mo is actually out here. Check him out. He's got his yellow ski, or I don't know what color. It's got a yellow and green on it or whatever, but that's him in the boat. But yeah, it's cool coming out here. You get to meet a bunch of cool people, and people got their dogs out here. They got food, they got drinks, everybody's swimming, hanging out. They got a DJ out here as well. And I don't know, we'll probably cruise around and see what it's all about. And I think Mo and them are going out on jumping waves in the ocean. I got these new tattoos here, so I can't really go out in the ocean and get my tattoos wet. I did put some water bandages over them, but you know, I still don't want to get wet just in case the bandage seeps through or whatever. All right, guys, that's it for the Sea-Doo Social. We hung out with Dan, we hung out with everybody, met a lot of cool people, saw some friends that we know from in town here. But we're gonna head back to the dock, load this ski up, and get it washed off. So let's get to it. Guys, this cruise control thing I got here works absolutely wonderful. I couldn't ask for a better situation. This thing is awesome. I'm just cruising here at, I don't know, probably 5 miles an hour, hands-free. We can just chill, film. I don't have to worry about my hand going numb. if you own a jet ski, you guys know that your hand always goes to sleep trying to hold the throttle. But yeah, we're just leaving the little island over there, disappearing island here at Ponce Inlet. And I don't know, it's a cool day. We're gonna head back. This is awesome. Look at that boat over there. Super cool, guys. So we're gonna keep on going down through here and get on back to the dock. Let's go. Alright guys, we got this thing all loaded up on the trailer, ready to go back to the shop. We're gonna take this thing and spray it off. I probably won't film all that, but I don't know. All in all, we had a good day out on the water. We had Dan out here, which was pretty cool. It was really cool to meet him. He's pretty famous online and everything, but we had a good day on the ski. Everything worked great. The cruise control thing worked good. The speaker was loud, and I don't know. That's pretty much it for this episode. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.